Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's possible, but not likely, that a mattress can last 20 years. The longevity of your mattress depends on several factors, including how much wear and tear it undergoes and the quality of its parts. Some mattresses, like memory foams and latex, can last up to 15 years, much longer than the average innerspring. 15 July 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
According to the Sleep Council, older mattresses, typically 10 years or older, provide a breeding ground for a variety of bacteria, including Staphylococcus, Enterococcus, norovirus, and, in rare cases, MRSA. Mold can also be an issue if your room gets humid. 16 June 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
Your pain may be coming from your mattress. If your pain is worse in the morning. If your pain is worse when you wake up and improves throughout the day, it's a good sign your body is not getting the proper rest it needs throughout the night. You can't get comfortable throughout the night. Your mattress is out of date.
Let's help you make your mark.
2 weeks. The Good Housekeeping Institute says you should wash your sheets and other bedding at least once every 2 weeks. If you have night sweats, or just sweat a lot in general, bump washing up to once a week. 17 January 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.